Welcome. Today, we're going to explore a useful feature on Instagram that allows you to manage your message requests more effectively. If you're looking to enable message requests from your followers, follow these simple steps to stay connected with everyone who wants to reach out. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in the app, look at the bottom right corner of your screen and tap on your profile picture. This will take you directly to your profile page. Next, you'll need to access the Settings menu. Look for the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of your profile page and tap on them. This will open a menu with various options related to your account. Now, scroll down until you see Messages and Story Replies. Tap on this option to enter the message settings. Here, you will find different controls regarding how others can interact with you through messages. In this section, locate the option labeled Your Followers on Instagram. You will see two choices: Don't Receive Requests and Message Requests. To allow your followers to send you message requests, select Message Requests. This means that anyone who follows you can now send you direct messages. Additionally, if you want to extend this feature further, look for the option that says Others on Instagram. Here, you can also choose Message Requests, allowing users who do not follow you to send messages as well. Once you've made these selections, simply exit the settings. Now, whenever someone sends you a message request, it will appear in your message inbox under the Requests section. You can review these requests and choose whether to accept or decline them. By following these steps, you've successfully enabled message requests from your followers on Instagram. This feature not only helps you connect with new people, but also keeps your communication organized. Happy messaging!